Hello everyone, today I have a door and window alarm. It's a perfect purchase for using for your windows, for your front door or back door. It has three different options. It has off, also it has alarm, which is you can push by the bottom and you can have a cramp. It's like a sound like here when the door or window are open. It has a simple installation. Everything that you need is glue. It here on and on this magnet, and when the door or window are open, you just hear the sound. I think it's a perfect purchase to save your house, apartments. Also, it's good for the kids to put it on their windows to hear when they open it. I am highly recommend this. You will like it.